We've arrived at the Grand Daksh Hotel, and there are just fun things. Got a boat out here. We're at the elevator. I'm trying to catch a sign that says, "This lift will serve you proper only when it carries 4 persons." We're here with our friend's brother and his friend. The flight into the room, and it is small but very nice. Got an LG TV, remote controls. Maybe this is an air freshener. Yeah, I think that's an air freshener on the wall. A couple of chairs to sit down. The water boiler and a couple of cups and saucers. Not a great view, but a little balcony. I may step out there in a minute. Of pigeons. There are loads of pigeons here. A nightstand, and I've got a nice big bed all to myself. Oh, this is like another water boiler and some water. Stepped into the restroom. There's a necessary toilet and wash basin. Okay, some provisions. What is this? Shaving kit? Won't need that one. Comb? Won't need that one. One of these is a dental kit, yes. 2 of those are dental kits. And then a shower. It will be fine. I mean, it looks really nice. We're only going to be here one night, so that will be great. My room is down the end of the hall on the left. But then as I turn around, all I'm doing is turning well, no, I'm not even going to turn 180 degrees. I'll just turn 90. Yes, I did. So here's 180 degrees. And there's this open balcony here. These are the sides of the building, and down there is the parking lot. It's just nice with the plants. Oh, this is stuff down here. At first sight, you just sort of think trashy, but as I'm looking at that, I'm thinking maybe they're about to get set for another wedding. We have a function tonight, and a dinner, although I have no idea how we're going to eat because we just stuffed our faces at lunchtime. And I've just taken my outfit down to the reception and asked for a rush press because it's been wrinkled in my suitcase. I will change into that in a little bit and go to this function, and I did ask permission to take some pictures, so hopefully there'll be something good to see and I'll get to share. So I think I got a shot of this earlier, but the interesting thing is, even though this lift will serve me proper when it carries 4 persons, it actually will hold 6. So I'm thinking it's best to only have 4, or maybe it needs a minimum of 4, whatever. So Tim, what can I get your thoughts on this latest adventure?
Well, my friend drugged me to India, and it's been one adventure after another. We are now stuck in the elevator.
Between floors.
But at least the fan is on.
Right. I don't know if the emergency bell worked or not. We don't hear anything. If you're interested, this is not the first time I've been stuck in an elevator. We have faith that we will get out before tonight's function in about 2 hours. So Tim disregarded the the instructions. Well, my fault, I didn't read it to him. Did not open the doors between floors. And now they're kind of stuck. Okay, so I pressed the ground button again and we went down a little bit, and we got some music as well as the band. So we thought there was progress. So here we are, we're now walking down the stairs. Here is the hotel entrance, and there's a slope for respected disables. I love how they word things here. Like, you get the meaning, but it's not exactly the English that you would choose. Look how lovely this is out here. There's a walkway with grass growing between. There's a little green area. I bet they have weddings on here. This is a big wedding place. Look how lovely that is. And they just really maintain it nicely here. There's nice little bushes with their flowers. Some palm trees in the back row. Flower pots full of palms. And we're excited. You see where this man is standing in the doorway. The sign on the door there says driver room. So our driver who brought us out here will have somewhere to stay, which is rather nice. This is not the wedding car of our friends, but it is a beautiful wedding car, and I expect they'll have something like that tomorrow. I enjoy traveling with him because he has ideas that I don't even think about. Apparently it's thirsty pigeon time. Several stopped just to get a drink. So I've come outside. I got a brief picture of the boat earlier, but here is a full-length one of it. It's like it ought to be water in this pond. And they have the facilities, and perhaps because this is dry season it's not filled. But imagine how fun that would be if it was just looking like it was floating on water. Looks very heavy though.
So this would have been a beautiful area. It's either in the stage of being set up or taken down. There are the puppies we saw fighting earlier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think I counted 7. But beautiful area. The tent would have been over those red framework. And you can imagine hundreds of people out here having a party.
So after our adventure on the way up, on the way down, we decided we would walk back up. And each floor, there's a little rest area. Tim was just pointing out that this was a 96-mile trip. We're in Veraval. I'm not sure that I remember to tell you that. So we're in Veraval. We came from Rajkot this morning, and it took us 4 hours to come 96 miles. A whole 24 miles an hour average. And the second floor looks like our floor. It's not our floor, we're on the 3rd floor, but it's got the same chairs, not the couch arrangements. And these look like pillows. Maybe they're for the wedding or another room set up, something. Oh, here's the mattress. look at this handsome guy. Followed immediately by this one.
Okay, just record. Or are you recording? Hi, and look at this. Got it.
Good morning from Veraval. I'm having a hard time remembering all these names. The lawn part is clear this morning. We did hear the party that went on until about 2:30, Tim said last night. I was asleep before then and just didn't hear it. I was sound asleep. So I'm on the balcony this morning and just having a little look at the differences. There are palm trees over there. I'm thinking it's very likely a coconut palm grove again. Nothing down here. Just a patio, I guess, to come out. I imagine you can get out in there. But look at all these palms. It would be nice to have a coconut. I don't know that we get it eaten though. People keep feeding us everywhere we go. And then the town is beyond there. It's a pretty small town, apparently. Our wedding function has been just down the road. It wasn't in this hotel. Today we're going very shortly, just a couple of minutes now. We'll be leaving and we are heading to, I think it's the ring exchange, and then he picks her up and takes her to, I don't know, whatever the next function is. So I'm thinking there were like 3 functions today and the last one is the actual ceremony. So I'm not sure if the ring exchange happens before then. Do not know about the order of these things. As Tim keeps saying, we're just along for the ride and enjoying every minute of it.